Welcome to lesson number 1. Today we are going to be talking about family-based immigration. Family-based immigration is probably one of the more well-known ways to immigrate to the U.S., and it includes categories of a lot of different types of relatives. We're going to talk about that within the series. However, the one that we're going to be starting with is the first of 2 classifications of family members called immediate relatives. And immediate relatives is a special legal term that is defined by immigration to include 3 categories of people. Those categories are number 1, the spouse of a U.S. citizen, number 2, the parent of a U.S. citizen if the child's above 21, and number 3, the child of a U.S. citizen if the child's above 21. So a U.S. citizen child can petition for their parents, and a U.S. citizen parent can petition for their child as long as they're a child under 21. And those are immediate relative petitions under U.S. immigration law. What that means is that you would be eligible as a family member, if you're a U.S. citizen, to petition under those 3 categories for your family members to be united with them or reunited in the United States, where if you choose to live in the U.S. and wish for your family member to be here as a permanent resident and join you here. There is no limit to how many visas are available under this category. So that's the biggest difference from what we'll be talking about next, which is preference categories. This is the other type of immigration under family-based. So immediate relatives, unlimited. It does take time because it does take time to process the case, whether you're filing from the U.S. or abroad, but it's not taking time because you're waiting for a visa number to become available for your family member, meaning it's just a matter of time, and hopefully your family member will be able to join you under one of these 3 categories. If you're filing from the United States, if your family member is here, it's called an adjustment of status. If the application is filed and the person is abroad, your beneficiary or family member is not residing in the U.S. in any other status, then you would be filing an immediate relative petition, and then it's sent to the consulate where they would be consular processing for an immigrant visa. They sound different, but ultimately they both result in the same end result, which is a green card for your family member and permanent residency, hopefully for them to be able to stay and live and work and be with you as a U.S. Family member for indefinitely. And also they would be eligible for citizenship, and we'll talk about that again in another video. Thank you for joining lesson number 1. Hopefully that was helpful. We will be continuing with lesson number 2 at a later date. Thank you for listening, and hopefully I'll be able to answer any questions you might have in the comments, and I'll see you at the next video. Thank you.